Hi, Laura Handke here, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts here and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. Well, today's spotlight was recommended by Lisa Brum of My Financial Girlfriend, and it is very easy for me to spotlight Brenda Bryan because she is a force of nature, and trust me, the road has not always been easy for her. Brenda began working in her passion for building community and supporting women in the early 1970s. Graduating with a degree in communications, she became active in the women's movement. Through her activism, Brenda acquired lasting skills in group processing, facilitation, and leadership. For the past 45 years, she has continued to build her toolkit to support women's empowerment. Brenda has created the Raise Your Voice program to unapologetically claim your destiny, harness the power of your fiercely feminine intuition, and finally breathe life into your biggest dreams. And I have had the honor and privilege of giving some vocal technique programs for her Speakers Club in their workshops, and I can testify to the power of it. And here is what Lisa had to say. Lisa says, I took Brenda's Be Bold, Be Brave, Be Powerful Speakers Club last summer to improve my speaking skills, and whoa, she is very supportive, holds us accountable, and encourages us to stretch ourselves. I learned and reimagined more than I was capable of. So please check out Brenda Bryan's work, and you can find me, Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, here on LinkedIn, or you can schedule a complimentary 30-minute consultation. Sign up for an upcoming Saturday Voice Lab at laurahandke.com.